Hi there, my name is Clay Hicks. I'm the CEO and founder of H7 Network, and welcome to the Champion Shift. This is your introduction into the Champion Shift. Someone has either given you a QR code, a member has given you a QR code, or told you about H7 in some way or another, and you've either requested an invitation to visit us, or you have filled out that, or you have received a QR code. And so someone must have thought awfully highly of you. So the Champion Shift, briefly, is a shift from someone who is out there networking on a hope and a wish, where you join a group, you build some relationships, you just hope and wish somebody will refer you, to shifting your mindset to intentionally building relationships, to intentionally taking our training, to intentionally being able to build your business by word of mouth more predictably. So below this video, you will find the step-by-step process for you to take, for you to now engage with the H7 community. So please make sure that you follow the process below, and make sure you fill out your form and you do all the things and show up to Welcome to H7 and get going. So welcome to the Champion Shift, where we intentionally do everything right now. So we will see you shortly, and let's get started.